In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access My Admin in Cloudways. If you've recently moved your site to Cloudways and you're searching the dashboard for a My Admin icon, the first thing to understand is that Cloudways does not use My Admin by default. That can be confusing if you're coming from a traditional cPanel hosting setup. Instead, Cloudways provides its own built-in database manager, which is designed to be lighter, faster, and easier to access directly from your application settings. To begin, open your browser and sign in to your Cloudways account through the official platform dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Applications. This will show you the list of websites or app installations connected to your account. From there, select the specific application whose database you want to manage. As soon as you open it, you'll be taken into the application management area where all the key settings for that website are organized. Now stay on the access details section, since this is where Cloudways places the database connection information. Scroll to the database access area. Here, you'll see the database name, the database username, and the password field associated with that application. This section is useful because it gives you the connection details in one place, but the quickest way to open the database is even simpler. Just click the Launch Database Manager button. Cloudways will immediately open its integrated database management tool in your browser. Inside that interface, you'll be able to browse your database tables, review content, run SQL queries, and make changes, much like you would in My Admin. If you manage WordPress sites, you'll likely recognize tables such as WP options or WP users. This makes it easy to locate configuration settings or user-related data when needed. If you still specifically want the classic My Admin interface, there is an alternative approach. Go to your WordPress dashboard, open the plugins section, click Add New, and search for the plugin called PHP My Admin. Install it and activate it. After activation, a new My Admin link will appear in the WordPress sidebar. Clicking that link opens the more traditional My Admin style interface, which some users prefer for familiarity or specialized workflows. Before you finish, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the correct database and that the expected tables are visible. It's always a good habit to double check where you are before editing anything, especially on a live site. And that's it. You now know how to access your database in Cloudways using the built-in database manager, and also how to open a classic My